Hey everyone, welcome back to JSL Securities, your daily stop for smart investing in simple words. Today, we are diving deep into a stock that's been quietly powering up, Power Grid Corporation of India, also known as Power Grid. So sit back, plug in, and let's get fully charged on this one. 1. What is Power Grid? Power Grid is India's central transmission utility. Basically, it's the company that moves electricity across the country, from the power plants to the cities, towns, and industries. Without Power Grid, even the best power stations are just showpieces. It operates over 1.7 lakh circuit kilometers of transmission lines. Think of it as India's electricity highway system. Also, it manages the National Load Dispatch Center, which balances demand and supply across states. 2. Why is it in the news now? Recently, Power Grid stock price has been outperforming the broader Nifty 50. It jumped over 2% while many other stocks were flat or falling. That's not just luck, it reflects strong fundamentals and solid investor interest. Plus, with the government pushing for green energy corridors, solar parks, and EV charging infrastructure, companies like Power Grid are expected to play a major role. 3. Financials. Is it a strong company? Yes. Revenue FY24, 46,000 rupees plus crore. Net profit FY24, 15,500 crore rupees. Dividend, around 10 rupees per share annually, making it a great dividend stock. ROE, return on equity, 18 to 20%, which is excellent for a PSU. Low debt to equity ratio, this company isn't overborrowed. So yes, it's profitable, stable, and generous to shareholders. 4. Technical view. What's the chart saying? Power Grid is currently trading near 295 rupees 300. It recently broke out of a resistance zone around 285 rupees. But if it falls below 285 rupees again, we could see a pullback to 270 rupees minus 275 rupees. So, above 295 rupees equals bullish. Below 285 rupees equals caution. Use proper stop loss if you are trading this. 5. Should you buy? Long-term view. If you are a long-term investor looking for steady returns, regular dividends, PSU exposure with strong earnings, then Power Grid is worth considering. It's not a rocket ship stock, but it's a solid performer with a defensive edge. Bonus, it's part of Nifty 50 and eligible for many ETFs and mutual funds. Alright, that was your A to Z analysis on Power Grid Corporation of India. Big player, stable profits, clean balance sheet, and future ready with green energy plans. This is a classic case of boring is beautiful in the stock market. If you liked today's episode, hit that like button, subscribe to JSL Securities, and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you get tomorrow's update too. Until next time, trade smart and stay grounded, just like Power Grid.